Hello, and welcome to Entertainment Design Group's Safety Series. Today, we're talking about scissor lifts and the proper function and operation so that you can work them safely.
An inspection identifies potential hazards that may be encountered from a damaged scissor lift and should be performed and documented at least daily. If at any time the scissor lift is found to be in need of repair, defective, or in any way unsafe, remove it from service until it has been restored to safe operating condition. Complete a walk-around inspection. Ensure all warning placards on the machine are legible. Be aware of the danger warnings. Know the location of the operator's manual and the fire extinguisher. Check the platform. Make sure it is free of debris and the guardrails and toe boards are in good condition. Ensure the controls are clearly marked as to what their function is. Check the emergency controls. Look at the structural and critical components, such as electrical wiring, cables, fasteners, pins, bolts, and locking devices. Search for any hydraulic leaks. Check the condition of the tires and wheel assembly, as it will significantly affect the lift stability.
Make sure before using any type of equipment that you're going up in the air with that we go ahead and wear a safety harness. We want to make sure that the safety harness fits us correctly and that the harness is not frayed or worn in any way. Make sure that it fits and that all the connectors are snug and tight. On the harness, make sure that you also have a lanyard that safely attaches to the harness. One part goes to the piece of equipment or what you're strapping off to, the other goes on the harness.
The worksite assessment. Is the worksite safe to work in? The scissor lift can only operate on flat, level surface. Take a walk around the worksite to familiarize yourself with the location and check for any potential hazards. Be aware of and avoid the following hazardous situations. Any unlevel surfaces, drop-offs or holes, bumps, floor obstructions or debris, hazardous locations, wind and weather conditions, the presence of unauthorized personnel, overhead obstructions and high voltage conductors. The function test. Is the unit safe functionally? Unplug the lift if the battery is on charge. Pull out the platform and ground red emergency stop buttons to the on position. Turn the key switch to ground control. Activate the up and down controls. When the platform lowers, the alarm should sound. Push the emergency stop switch while operating the controls to make sure that all functions stop. Raise the platform a few feet, shut the machine down, and pull the manual lowering knob located at the rear of the lift. The platform should lower. The descent alarm will not sound. Turn the key switch to the platform control. Push in the platform red emergency stop button to the off position. No functions should operate. Pull the red emergency stop button out to the on position. Now test the steering and drive functions. Step 4, proper operation. Am I operating safely? Do not drive the lift while elevated. Limit travel speed according to conditions of ground surface, congestion of the worksite, visibility, slope, grade, location of personnel, or any other factors causing hazards of collision or injury to personnel. Maintain a safe distance from obstacles, debris, drop-offs, holes, depressions, ramps, and other possible hazards. Make sure all personnel maintain a firm footing on the platform floor while working from the platform. Have good communication amongst each other and wear the full body harness at all times. A hard hat needs to be worn when working with any overhead obstructions. Know the weight of all occupants, tools, and materials going up in the platform, and make sure the total load is within the machine's maximum safe operating load. Take care to prevent rope, electrical cords, and hoses from becoming entangled in the lift. If you are working with tools in the lift, tie them off with a rope or lanyard to prevent them from falling to the ground. Use special precautions when other equipment and/or vehicles are present. Warnings, such as but not limited to, flags, roped-off areas, flashing lights, and barricades, shall be used. Do not use planks, ladders, or other device on the platform to achieve any additional height or reach. Guardrails are not to be used as a ladder. Do not use the lift as a crane. Proper shutdown. Is the unit in a safe place and shut down properly? When shutting down the lift, select a safe parking location on a firm, level surface, clear of obstruction and traffic. Safety chain. Apply the emergency stop, turn the key switch to the off position, and remove the key to secure from unauthorized use. Charge the lift after each use, and be sure to clean the lift's floor so it can be ready for the next person.
So that should be a good review or education for you, the fundamentals of a scissor lift. Make sure that you practice working on a scissor lift, as you should practice with all of the equipment here at EDG. And if you don't understand something, make sure that you get with someone that's certified that can go over the different pieces of equipment again with you. So until next time, let's keep focused and keep it safe here at EDG. Oh, and make sure to clip on and clip off. Till next time.